Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to use a power drill and use it safely.
Power drill?
A power drill is a battery operated tool and it is activated when you pull the trigger. The simple machines that are used in using a power drill are screws and screws. You got your screw here. To be safe when using a power drill, only hold the handle and don't do this, because that hurts.
Ow.
Ow. You use a power drill when you need to put two pieces of wood together, like so. Yep. You can also remove screws with power drills. It is very easy to use, and it is a lot easier than using a screwdriver. That's about it.
Have a
Thanks
nice
for
day,
watching.
folks.
Yeah.